welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another slime review, this time from Slime DIY, which is a slime shaker. Also, if you want to be part of the crazy fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment crazy down below, and then I'll know. So let's get started. So right here it says it contains a surprise, and I'm gonna see which one I get. I hope I get the Puggacorn because I really want that one. And also right here it says if I got cosmic, pastel, or neon, and I got pastel. Voila. Ooh, I got a yellow. And okay, so I got silver glitter. And then I got the cat as my little special extra. And then I got my yellow powder. And here, these are just some stickers I can put on the container. So it would say 100% original, or slime DIY, or made by me. So first they said put the powder in and then fill up the water until this line. I'm now going to fill it up to that line. Now you're going to put the lid on and shake until it is like you can't hear any water splashing around in the container. And then you're going to wait 5 minutes and then open the lid and put the glitter and the extra in. As you can hear right now, it's like making this really water sound. And then in 30 seconds or more, you won't hear it at all. As you can hear now, there's no sound anymore. So that means that the water is all the way in the powder, and water. So now I'm going to open it and let it sit there for 5 minutes. So it's now been 5 minutes and I'm ready to take my slime out. There you go. Ooh, this is really cool. I wonder if it stretches. This is really cool. I really do want to add in my glitter, so that's what I'm going to do now. Glitter! Oh my gosh guys, come here, look how cool this looks. This really looks cool. I'm now going to stick the 100% on the top of my slime. Right here. And now I'm going to do So Slime DIY right here. Awesome. And the made by right here. I'm going to write Lulu's Crazy World. right here. So now, this is the most amazing slime container you've ever seen. The most amazing slime in it. And a kitty. But the only thing that I don't really like is that glitter totally changed the color, because it was yellow at the beginning and now it's like a green. But that's totally fine because I still really like it and it's totally glittery. See you next time. Bye.